Hey everyone, I'm walking up to give you a tour of my art studio. I'm getting ready to embark on a new artistic journey. I'm evolving over time, and I've decided to go through a year-long artistic journey, a mastery art program through Milan Art Institute. And I needed to clean up this area to get more organized. I always feel more creative when I have things a little more organized. And because I'm going to be doing lessons on a daily basis, I really needed to get my act together. I bought a new printer. I've organized my desks where they're back to back. These are standing desks. And I can raise them at different levels because they're electronic, so they can go up and down. And yeah, I'm just going to walk around and show you how I have my studio organized. So I have lots of space. I have a nice writing board where I can take notes and just jot down little things I want to quickly remember. This is a painting I finished up in 2023. That was my very last painting I did. It needs a little work, but I think she came out pretty. This is where I'll be doing all of my oil painting. I've got my palette set up. All my oils are in their warm and cold colors. My iPad, so I can reference, looking at my reference photos. This is where I do my fluid acrylics on this nice large table. I've got spray paints, inks, acrylics, lots of brushes, a nice long table where I do a lot of packaging. When I sell paintings, I'm able to use that space to wrap up my paintings. Back here is where I do my fluid acrylics and filming on this nice 4x6 table. Just a great space for me to be creative. There's a nice little cart where I have all of my oils and charcoal, pencils, and I'm going to have so much fun. And I hope you guys will subscribe so you can watch my journey as I evolve and go through this program. I am super excited to hone in my skills and just become a much better artist and be able to paint whatever I want. Let me know what you guys think. Love y'all.